my god. That guy's gonna come like get me. No, it's car lights. What if I get hit by a car? That'd be bad. Cause you all would miss me. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't get hit by a car. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my god, there's 2 dogs. Get back. Back. No. Stop it. Stop. Oh my god. Back. Please. Someone. Dude, they're gonna eat me. Dude, oh my god. Oh my god. Go back to Mexico, you little mutt. That worked. Freaking dogs. It's a freaking chihuahua and like a little poodle. Dude, they were gonna eat me. They're like, meh. I could have died, like on camera. Not cool. God. Oh my god. This is the freaking worst day ever. I tripped and I fell on my face in my house. Cause there's wood floors. What else? I think I got chased by dogs. I mean, what could go wrong? I mean, it could start raining on me. It could start freaking... I don't want to say anything else because that might happen. So, I'm sorry you guys, it's been 8 minutes. Like, it first turned from like a news story to like freaking me getting chased by dogs. Freaking legit. I mean, it's only funny because it's me. It's only funny because Brady, it's me being stupid, would be being chased by dogs. Oh my god. I walked 8 blocks and I'm like dying. Oh my god, lightning. Dude, I'm like right by a power pole. I might when I get back inside. Oh my god. Oh my god, light. I'm home. Love you guys.